lathe installation. How am I getting on with my new to me lathe? That's not sitting very well because I've had to take it off because I don't have enough room with that shelf now to be able to open it up for full access. I've got it, the motor mounted, rewired the inverter, got that connected, installed the tachometer, and from the twin outlet thing I want to use for lathe, I've put in a 6-way extension for the low voltage things like the LED light and the tachometer. The lathe itself is going straight into the 13 amp socket because it will need the power. I've leveled it with shims rather than using jacking bolts, so some brass and steel shims to get the lathe approximately level. I've not done a truing operation where you use a micrometer or something on a test bar or cut a bar, see if it's cut as a taper or parallel, because I've been fitting the pulleys under here and had a bit of trouble getting the pulleys in the right place on the shaft and also to fit. And the other thing, somebody asked about the bench, whether they thought it would be solid enough. Well, the answer is that there is vibration. Now, it might be that what I need to do is to damp the motor, because with all the transmission, well, I might need to look at the transmission parts to see if I can remove the cause of the vibration. It's got a good belt on there. I don't think anything is running eccentrically, but there's enough for a vibration to develop, and you can feel it in the bench. You get the vibration. It's very difficult to move the bench manually, but of course when the lathe is running and you get that sort of vibration, it will hunt out, it seems to hunt out the harmonic frequency of the devices it's attached to. And so there is a particular point at which the bench itself will amplify those vibrations, and I can hear that and feel it if I'm touching the bench. I'm not sure what is the best way from that. Removing the vibration is the best way. Stiffening up the bench, which I've got more of this unistrut, would be another way of dealing with that. Getting to the source of it might be my preference in there, and as I say, I had to do some adjustment of the pulleys in there, and I'll seek your advice, people, if I run into problems, but I need to do more investigation before I do that.